Was just some brief comments on the textual apparatus. I made a few brief comments about Nietzsche himself and the text and his philosophy. I'll make more of those comments in future podcasts that I'll publish on Monday and then later in the week. Let's look at the assignment here again. So again, this is in um, it's in assignments, right? So you go to discussion board, it'll redirect you here. Um, and we want to try this voice thread thing. So here's what you'll see, right? So you'll see voice thread setup. So you want to do the following. Individual VT, click on that. Create a voice thread, okay? And then, I'll use QuickTime for my voice thread here, right? New audio recording, right? So I'm going to click it. I'm going to say, I choose to write, or I want to talk about Nietzsche's idea of the idea of epic form. So how do we know it's an epic form or not? So in those first few pages, what we see is, it sort of starts in the middle of things. He's a character that has this sort of heroic disposition, blah, 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 right? So you do that, right? Save it to, test, right? To desktop. And then what you can do here, where VoiceThread is real good, I can just find it on my, if I can do it here real quick. Yeah, I can do it. So you just drag it and it's on, okay? So it's up there now. And then here's a key thing here. So you want to keep your VoiceThread short and sweet, right? About 60 seconds, I would say, is a good average. 90 seconds at the most, right? So you really have to prepare what you're saying, or you have to practice it a few times and try to get it in under the assigned limit. And then you want to give a title, right? So a good title, right? Nietzsche's epic form, right? Colon, um, you know, heroic character who is not so heroic, something like that, okay? So there, I'm trying in the title to make, a clear, trying to make it clear, what I'm talking about, right? So a good title always gives a contextualization, a textualization, and a theorization or a thesis.